Hey guys, how's it going? Your boy out here with another video. Today we're going to be installing a Megan Racing catback exhaust on this beauty right here. Now here's the box it came with. I'm going to be opening it up right now. So stay tuned guys. Yes, here's the box. It's a pretty big box to be honest. I'm just going to be using my little pocket screwdriver opening it up since I don't have a box cutter. But alright guys, let's get to it. See what's in here. Pretty excited for this. I'm hoping it's at least a decent sound, to be honest. I'm not hoping for too loud, but at least a nice little tone to it, you know. Alright guys, give me a second, I'll get it right now. Alright guys, so here's what we're working with. Wow, will you just look at that? That looks beautiful right there. So we got gaskets and hardware that we will be using. And yeah, just look at how big that is, like holy cow. That is gonna sound nice. But also came with this sticker, warranty policy, and this little nice letter again that from the CEO thanking you for choosing their products. And that's pretty cool that they do that. But yeah man, oh I can't wait to get this on. It's gonna sound so good. For today's install, the tools that you will be needing are a 14mm socket, 13mm socket, a 14mm wrench. I'll just be using my wrenchable wrench, that's a 14. Your ratchet, knowing me, I'll be using my electric ratchet, and I would also recommend some PB blaster for the nuts and bolts on the exhaust because it might be seized and pretty hard to come out. I sprayed mine earlier, so hopefully they should be pretty good to come out. And you will also probably be using this or maybe some WD-40 for the exhaust hangers because they're probably gonna be a little rough to come out. But alright guys, doing this on the floor like a peasant like I am right now. You're probably gonna need to jack it up to be able to get to the exhaust. So next time you see this, it's gonna be on some jack stands. Let's go. Okay, guys, so here you go, nice and jacked up in the air. If you're gonna do this on the ground like I am, just make sure your car is very secure and you have the jack stand secured in the right place, because you know, I wouldn't want you guys getting hurt or anything. But yeah, here you go. Alright guys, here we go. Sorry if you guys can't really see, it's pretty dark. But I'm gonna try my best to record everything. But also show you guys step by step on what to do. But I probably won't get all the footage down since it's a pretty tight spot and it's very dark and I have to be holding a flashlight. But the first thing you want to do is try to get the exhaust out of the exhaust hangers, as you can see right here and over here. And then if you come back here to the muffler, there's another one right there and right there. So just try to get some WD-40, spray them so they could get lubed up so it could come out a little easier. But yeah, I'll show you guys right now. Alright guys, so we got the hangers out. I didn't show these because they were more, couldn't really get the angle in here because it's a pretty tight spot. But I found it easier. I'm using it right now to hold down the exhaust, but if you use a little pry bar to pry them off, it works really good. Came out with ease. But yeah, just this one and that one back there should be all off, and this side as well, and as well as those. So now we're going to get those two 14mm bolts back there. guys, out with the old and in with the new. Alright guys, next thing you want to do is grab your gasket over here and put it in the exhaust back there. Hey, baby.
The dogs knew they were fucking doing something wrong. No!
Why do you say that?
Because I'm right there and then Kim is like, no manches, ¿cuánto te costó esto?
What?
¿Cuánto te costó esto?
What do you mean?
¿Cuánto te costó?
What do you mean?
Baby, don't fucking act stupid.
A little bit.
A little bit, how much?
How much do you think?
Like 900.
Oh, hell no, fuck that.
How much?
A little bit.
Okay, what's a little bit?
A little bit.
Babe, stop.
A little shit. Alright guys, so mine was pretty stuck on there. Look at that. I had to get some clip pullers or a screwdriver and just pry it off. I mean, just look at that. I just got a wire brush as well, and I just cleaned it off as best as I could around the surface because it's pretty on there still. But I mean, that's good enough. Just grab your new exhaust gasket, just put it on there. There you go. Alright guys, the next thing you want to do is grab the big pipe and put it on the hangers down there. I don't know if I'll get this on film because it's going to be pretty hard, but I'll do my best. Alright guys, I wasn't able to record. Sorry guys, it was just too hard. But look at how good that looks right there. That looks so good. But look, this is where we're at so far. So we got those two hangers on there. We got these other two hangers on there. Next thing you want to do is grab the hardware they provided and stick them in there, which are these two right here. Alright guys, so the hardware that they gave us didn't really work. I think it's if you have like a aftermarket mid pipe or something, but I don't think it works with the stock mid pipe. But I just went ahead and used the old hardware anyway. It was still fine anyway, so it's all good. But yeah. Step is to put the pipe. Just make sure to put this gasket in between here and over here, right there. And also here's the hardware they provided. Just use that. tighten the hardware down, you're gonna need a 14mm ratchet with your 14mm wrench. Just tighten it down so it's nice and snug. Alright guys, that's pretty much it right there. It looks pretty nice, man. Pretty stoked. I'll give you guys a clip on how it came out, on how it sounds in the morning so I can get a cold start. I'll also take it for a drive too so you guys see how it sounds while I was driving as well. But alright guys, catch you guys soon. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you guys how the exhaust sounds when I'm driving. It's not the loudest, but it has like a nice real deep tone. I mean, I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, I can't complain, I guess. I wish it was a little louder, but I mean, it's all good. It has a nice little deep tone. Alright guys, well that pretty much concludes the rest of this install. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments down below and how it sounds. I might set it up with the NVIDIA mid pipe just because I want it a little bit louder, but I don't know yet. I still like the sound. It's a real nice deep tone. But let me know what you guys think, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks guys.